Welcome to another Miss Fashion video, y'all. Sit back and relax. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to hit that like button. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Miss Fashion's videos. Welcome to my channel. You guys, I share everything that is my life, and that includes all lifestyle type of videos, whether you get parenting, being a mom, being a wife, an employee, life, physical, fitness, whatever it is, hair, beauty, nails, all of that is my life, you're getting. Today's video is all about hair. We're gonna do some hair today. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope that you enjoy it. If you enjoy lifestyle type of content, please make sure to hit that like button or thumbs up button, whatever you call it these days. Hit the subscribe button, and please feel free to leave a comment below, you guys, because I do interact with you guys. I saw this Duby hair and it reminded me of like how I used to wear my hair years ago, and I picked it up. They had it on sale for $11.99, so I picked up 2 boxes of that to put in my hair. So I'm like, well, let's try this. I have been watching videos for like 2 weeks now and trying to decide what the heck was I gonna do. But then I also got this little closure too, for the little round piece. I got that as well. So we're going to get this thing done. I have looked up like stuff like what these girls be doing now. Like, how do they do quickly? Here's my hair. Y'all, I just quickly put this, if you want to call it breaking it down, but I straightened my hair. I straightened my hair, not straightened, blow dried my hair. And this is where we're gonna do the part. And products I'm gonna use this protective shield, Robert's Diamond Bond Protective Shield to protect my hair. You can't do quick weave without a stocking cap, right? So we got that. Got to be glued. I bought some hair glue. I ain't bought no hair glue in forever. So it felt so weird buying hair glue, but yeah. So yeah, we're gonna let things just lead me, okay? So stay tuned and let's get this going, all right? So I am about almost halfway up. I did double my bottom 2 rows. I doubled them because I wanted it to make sure it's covered. I got this stuff on my ear, child. But yeah, so we getting there, y'all. I'm nervous about doing this party phase. I don't know what I'm doing. But I tell you what, I'm going to figure it out. That's what I am going to do. Y'all, I get thrown off sometimes with a little one. But anyways, I have at least did my slick this area down. My party space ain't great, but guess what? I'm not gonna say I don't care, but this is what I got. So what I need to do at this moment is this closure piece ain't laying the best to me. Look, I'll let her just section off. Flop. So what I'm gonna do is take my, there we go. There we go. I just needed to bump that out. And it was right here that was driving me nuts, y'all. So this is, I'm gonna just wear it like this for this week. And then I may cut it and do some extra stylings after that. So yeah, here we are. I haven't wore a style like this in so long. It's been so long since I had like a wrap style. I'm loving it. I don't have to do no cutting, no nothing. It's like, in my eyes, this is just perfect. This is perfect for me. Like, I don't need no whole bunch of stuff to go with this. It's that closure that's gonna drive me nuts. It's the closure. It's the closure that's gonna drive me nuts. I can tell you that now. But we're gonna let it rock. So from back here, what y'all gonna see, it's all right. It's all right. I didn't cut my cap as much. Oh, I'm so good here. But this is good. This is good. This is good. For me, it is the wrap for me. When the last time I wore a wrap? Like, this feels so good. I am loving this. Yeah. All right, that's enough. So that is the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. All of that good stuff. Yes, I love the bounciness, the flowiness. I've always been a huge fan of Duby. Like, back in the day, I wore Duby. And 2021, Duby. Here it is.